In this video, I'll show you how to change the region of your Nintendo Switch. Now, how do you do this? How do you get in this menu you're seeing over here? Very easy. Let's start fresh. Press the home button and over here you're going to select system settings. It's this icon. Click on it twice. Then on the left side menu, we need to go down until you select system. Press A. And then on the right side menu, we need to go down until you see region. Now click here and you'll have to choose between all these 5 different choices. So just for the sake of this video, let me select Europe. And it will warn you that the console needs to restart for this change to actually work. So press yes. Select restart. Wait, the console will power back on by itself. And now if I go back in the system settings, all the way to system, region, as you see here, it has been changed to Europe. You can change this as many times as you want, and every time you'll have to restart the console if you want this to be saved. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.